Hey there, creative souls! Welcome back to the Basics Hub! Are you ready to dive into the magical world where nature meets technology? Today, we're going to create some stunning DIY solar-powered nature sculptures that not only look amazing, but also harness the power of the sun. Let's get our hands dirty and our imaginations flowing. Project 1 Solar-Powered Mobile. First up, we're building a whimsical solar-powered mobile. Here's what you'll need: solar panels, driftwood or branches, small motors, LED lights, and fishing line or thin wire. Instructions. Let's start by gathering our natural materials. Head outside and find some beautiful driftwood or branches. The more unique, the better. Now grab your solar panels and attach them to the main branch. This is where the magic begins. Next, we're going to connect our small motors and LED lights. This is what will make our mobile come alive at night. Now it's time to get creative. Use fishing line or thin wire to hang smaller branches or decorative elements from your main piece. Make it dance in the wind. Alright, let's test it out. Place your mobile in a sunny spot and watch those LEDs light up as the sun sets. How cool is that? Project 2 High-Tech Terrarium. Now let's take it up a notch with a high-tech terrarium that will impress all your friends. Here's what you'll need: a glass container, soil and plants, an Arduino board, a moisture sensor, a temperature sensor, LED lights, a small water pump, and a recycled plastic bottle for a water reservoir. Instructions. Set up your terrarium. Start by setting up your terrarium base with soil and plants. Make it look like a mini jungle. Now let's get techie. Install your moisture and temperature sensors. These little guys will help you monitor your plant's health like a pro gardener. Time to add some flair. Install LED indicators that will light up when your plants need water or are too hot. It's like having a plant assistant right in your home. Let's make sure our plants never go thirsty again. Set up a small water pump connected to a recycled plastic bottle for self-watering goodness. Finally, let's program our Arduino to monitor everything. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Soon, you'll be the tech-savvy plant parent everyone envies. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for success. Make sure your solar panels get plenty of sunlight. Use waterproofing techniques for outdoor sculptures. Balance is key. Let your creativity shine. And there you have it. 2 incredible DIY projects that blend nature and technology beautifully. I can't wait to see what you create, so be sure to share your sculptures and terrariums in the comments below. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun DIY projects, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep creating together. See you next time.